Hi everyone, I am GL Sumlata, Assistant Professor, Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make use of mobile for doing the labs of VLSI design. That is, how to draw the schematics, how to get the simulation outputs, how to check the functionality. So for that, Electric Circuit Studio is the app. Just download that from the Play Store, and this is the menu. Okay, though we have some licensed tools like Cadence in our colleges, due to this COVID pandemic, we cannot make use of those tools, unfortunately. And though we have some softwares like LT Spice, which need a laptop to be installed. So in the laptop, we need to do that. So for students who don't have laptops, this is one alternative so that they can draw the schematics and verify the functionality. So let us go into the detail. In the bottom we have these icons. This pen type of thing is for wiring, ground, resistor, capacitor. So voltage sources, pulse sources, like this we have. So I am going to show the CMOS inverter. So we have a PMOS transistor on the pull up and NMOS on the pull down. So just touch and place wherever you want to make the connection. Just we can adjust this top and in the sidewards also. Bring the voltage sources. So we need to connect the VDD to the drain. So this is VDD. Grounds you can place wherever you require. So grounds I am placing, and I require a pulse source to connect to the gates. Both the gates of CMOS inverter should be joined with a pulse source. So this is for wiring. Wherever you want the interconnection, just take this wire and make the wiring. Just select the pen, it will be blue color. Then make the connections. Just touch that both the ends where you want to be interconnected. So you'll have the schematic finished. Then the voltage by default is 1 volt. So I want to give 5 volts. So go to settings, voltage, you give 5 volts. Similarly, in the pulse source, you give width whatever you require. Suppose 2.5 is the time period, you can give 1.25 like that. So somewhat on time is half of the total time period. So this is the schematic which is drawn for CMOS inverter. PMOS on the pull up, NMOS on the pull down. Source of NMOS is grounded, substrate is also grounded. Source of PMOS is connected to supply, substrate also is connected to the source. Both the drains are joined, both the gates are joined, and input through the pulse is applied. So we are applying the 5 volts. You can see pulse at 5 volts. Negative terminals are grounded. We can save this with this 3-dot menu. Save as. So inverter 2 or whatever name you can give. Then how to verify the output. So click on this input line, go to this E type of symbol and run. So E indicates the I, so that it will show the output. So output, so this is the input we have generated, 5 volts. Output, just click on this. Input is shown in green color, output with the red color. Both are opposite to each other. So this is the output. So this is with respect to time, input and output we can see, which is called as a transient analysis. So likewise all the other gates like NAND gate, NOR gate, different gates can be done, and you can verify the output. Hope you all understood. Thank you one and all.